Hi everyone, I'm back with a flip through of a journal that Q has finished. She doesn't always make creepy and dark journals. Apparently this is one. Here we go. She's called it Nature Journal. Which way up are we? This way up, I think. And it's a soft cover made on a cereal box or something similar by the feel of it. This fabric was a reversible, looks like a shot silk, but it's a upholstery fabric, so heavier than silk, I think. And I have had this in my stash probably since she was a little girl. It's good to see it finally being used, and I love the way that she's just used these offcuts reversed to make the band around. Now it is a single signature, and here we go. Q's Botanical Journal. This is looks like it has an inside cover of fabric, and then she's applied the cardstock. Very pretty. A bee patterned one. This is one of our wiping cloths when we're doing the shibori dyeing. We mop up with these paper towels and get these gorgeous effects. This looks like, yep, a little belly band with some extra papers. Well, beetles and a spider web, not too creepy, I guess. Well, that's rather sweet, isn't it? Little fairies with a, what's that? Squirrel? Chipmunk? Non-Australian animals. So many of the things we get are European or Northern Hemisphere animals. That's very sweet. Look, a tiny little butterfly on a flip. Oh, and I do believe this is one of these pockets. That's cute, isn't it? So you can actually put things in the back and the front. Ah, look, here's an idea for the envelope journal. Little scraps of paper to make envelope tucks. That's cute. This has a lot of our hand-dyed paper in it. Everywhere's a little tuck spot. There's a little fold down journaling space. I may have made 3,000 of these ruffles, so we're using them in everything. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? Look at that. That's from this plastic tablecloth I found at the op shop. Gives great effects on the dyed paper. A paste paper from many, many years ago. Ah, glued to an old catalogue. An eco dyed paper. It's hard to make yourself use these. They're so pretty. More dyed paper. Oh, here's one of Dad's old vintage negative holders. They make beautiful little pockets. More bits tucked into that little flip out. This is a stencil I got her for her birthday from Witchcraft Do You Do. She loves it. It's great. And the bats, I think. Another little waterfall and a bunch of little writing spots on more of this very old paste paper. These are, isn't this effective? This is the 2 rows of the negatives of a whale tail die cut, I think. I love that. It's a very nice use of that. I suspect this had my sister's name on it. I think this is actually one that was done in kindergarten. Goodness me, very vintage. Another little notebook flip. Oop. Oop. And it, oh, up. Oh look, and a beetle. Uh-oh. Get back in there. Hope no one's afraid of bugs. Oh, and some more. But wait, there's more. Bit of this lovely old graph paper. Another eco print. Goodness, she was generous. Oh, this is the first time we used rusty washers. Got a whole pile of rusty things outside waiting to be used in the next dye bath. She's got a lot of little pockets and things in this one. Belly bands. What's that then? Dictionary page. This is an offcut of napkin on freezer paper, I think. Feels really smooth and soft. Another little notepad. Love these waterfall effects. And isn't that cute? Just a torn inked piece as a tuck. More little envelopes, and there's one of the positive whale tail dies from that negative, I think. More, ooh, that's paste paper again, but it's got lumpy bits. And an envelope. Oh, look, and another. Oh, isn't that cute? The bug as a. It's an intelligence test. Oh, that's a nice old piece of writing paper. That's really sweet. And there's the bug for you to do your own stenciling in places. That's gorgeous. Use all those tiny offcuts. And a map. More little pieces. Oh, that pattern worked well. Oh, look, the other half of that torn page. I love this fragile tape. Came in a very small roll though, so I'm quite stingy with mine. I like all these layered small pages. They're very effective. Another little side tuck with papers. Would have been a pine needles by the look of it, or wormwood perhaps. Ah, this is another napkin, which I think we glue sticked them onto book pages and then added plain paper on the inside for writing. Feels really nice, very soft, very tactile. Oh, and a teensy tiny waterfall with more bats and beetles. And a card. The other side of the botanical print. Oh, that's... I don't think I've seen this piece before. She must have been hiding that in her stash. Little bit of stamping. Oh, another lovely piece of paper. That's probably in there, and there, and there at the end. A couple more. Oh, look, bubbled treasures. There we go. So there's Q's version of a nature journal. Beautiful, very tactile. I really like this one. Hope you found some nice ideas in there for your next journal. See you next time.